Are you flying on business today?
Oh, no. I'm on vacation. And, call me Woody.
Ooh, you are so cute. Then, Wieland, would you like a tour of my home island? Yeah?
Oh, yeah. And, while we're in the air, how's about you give me a tour of that buffet over there? This is the life.
Volley Walrus!
Oh, Inga, my most favorite flight attendant in the whole world. Look what I bought for you.
Woody, my little Woodla, where are you?
Don't be gone long, Inga.
Thanks for the chocolates, bub. But Inga's my first-class date, so hands off. Look what I've got for you, Inga.
Oh, Woody, how nice.
Yeah, they just had you written all over them.
Why that no good, Inga thief?
Whoa!
All passengers, please buckle your seatbelts. We are proceeding to take off. Yeah.